everyone. Hey, it's Diane. We're at May 19th, 2026, and I got a new haul of more succulent plants, and I'm going to be showing them to you today. So in front of you is a Pacific Devil's Food. So these are the ones in the 6-packs here. There's 12 or a little bit more of the Pacific Devil's Food. What a name for a hens and chicks, right? But I got that many off of these two, so it was well worth the money. And then the Dorothianthus I propagated, made 6 of them. And then off of this plant, I created a few of these. Look at them all. So what fun is that? I also brought some in the other day. You know, I transplant them outside, I dig them in the ground, and then when we get a rain or something, they just get washed up and then they turn upside down. So I just pulled all them out. Actually, they were laying on the ground, and brought them in here and put them in 6-packs for now. Let them get established a little bit, and then I'll replant them. Here is a new variety, Purple Passion. I still got to plant these yet. And then we have Tristan, really pretty. This one's really pretty. I really like this one. I like them both. And then I made all kinds of different 6-packs of, because there's so many chicks on a lot of them. And I put some in 2-inch pots, and these are looking really nice right now. I decided to dig some outside, put them in these 3-inch pots, and I put 3 to a pot, and they're doing pretty good. It looks like they're rooting. So that's just exactly what we want. These in front of you here are 2-inch pots. I think they're of every variety I have out in the garden right now. Fun, isn't it? Look at all those babies coming on this one right here. That one's really pretty. Got a little bit of hair, fuzz on it. So here's a new bed of the Purple Passion and Tristan. Looks like they're doing okay so far. I'm going to be adding more pea gravel as time goes. And this is a pretty warm spot, so this will really be a test to see how well they do through the summer. And then here's my new 12 new varieties, but I do not know the names. They're just were in a mixed flat, but hopefully I'll be able to identify a few of them. But aren't they beautiful? Lots of different colors. They're so attractive. I hope they winter here. They're supposed to. So we will see. You can see several of them already have the chicks attached. Look at that. That is so cool. Love it. Lots of chicks on them. Here's a little pot on our patio. It's kind of fun. Not very big, but I'm going to make a couple more yet. But look at it. They're just coming in so nice. All the varieties I have. That's really pretty, isn't it? So they do good in pots. This one ain't too deep. And it'll be nice here on the patio for all summer into fall. My succulent garden is coming a long ways. I just keep adding to it. I just love these plants. So fun to put them in containers. But I've learned a few things down the road. I'm no longer going to put them in deep pots. I'm going to keep the pots more shallow. They will do better. But aren't they attractive? You gotta love them though. Not everybody likes succulents, but I do. Thanks so much for watching today. Toss me a comment. Got any questions? Let me know. I've been doing these a while, and I think I know pretty much about them. Take care, and we'll see you on the next video.